Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Taylor Roche coming back at you with a whole nother YouTube video, and I'm so excited for this to be the inaugural episode of my brand new series for under 40, where I find different outfits for different occasions under $40 from the neck to the knee, not including shoes. Shoes are kind of important. Yeah. I live in a state where it can range from 110 degrees all the way to -4 degrees, maybe in the same week. So one of the major things that I wanted to touch on is definitely summer work trends or summer work outfits, because trends come and go, but style is forever. The first outfit that I have is a black polka dot dress from H&M. It is retailed at $24.99, and what I can say is that this dress is extremely comfortable. It is able to be transformed to a day or a night outfit no matter what you pair with it. What I like about it most is the fact that it has a very light fabric. It's Vicos. It is a fabric I cannot pronounce, but it's very light, very comfortable for the office, and it has flounce sleeves. This next outfit is going to be my personal favorite. It is a blue floral gaucho culotte type pant from H&M as well. They retail at $17.99, and honestly, I'm very adamant about gauchos and culottes because I feel like they don't look good on my body, but these in particular, they seem to fit just right. I got them in a size 14 for comfort. I normally wear a size 12 in H&M's bottoms, but for these, for the comfort, for the ventilation, all that stuff, size 14. This next outfit is a very casual meets business look. I got the embroidered top from H&M for $9.99 and the cropped cream pants from H&M as well for $14.99. I love this outfit because not only is it comfortable, but it also gets the point across that you mean business. That's going to be it for today's episode, guys. If y'all have any suggestions on what I should style next under a certain amount of dollars, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. Bye, guys.